Hey guys, what's up? Let's talk about how to stabilize your camera because this is the coolest piece of gear I own. This is a monopod from a company called SIRUI, and the real magic is in this twist locking system, allowing you to twist it and extend to full height in a matter of seconds. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how traditional monopods and tripods work, they have these twist knobs that you extend each one by one, get to the height you want, and then relock them. And then when you do go to put it down, you often find that one is still loose, so you have to go back through and figure out which one you need to retighten. So as a safari photographer and someone that's often on foot, you can only imagine how being able to twist this quickly, put it down, get to the right height you want, and then get that shot, and then quickly pick up and move just in case maybe a elephant's nearby or who knows what. Now, if you thought the monopod was already cool, it just gets better and better thanks to these quick lock releases on top and bottom, allowing you to quickly pop off your gear like this if you want to go run and gun. Or you can pop off the base with the tripod feet, release that, get rid of the monopod center column, and then now you can add your camera just like that if you want to get low shots. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have been skeptical if this can really serve as a tripod, and you've probably been yelling at me through your phone that this is a bad idea. So I'm just gonna say that I agree with you, and SIRUI in no way promotes you doing this and letting your gear stand on its own. But that being said, I am a daredevil with my gear, and here is a large gimbal system. You've seen this whole video. Just pop it on, and it's freestanding. Now, for me as a content creator, I really hate setting up, and it often makes it so I don't get to shooting as quick as I want, or maybe I just don't shoot at all. And this allows me to essentially have a selfie stick, allows me to adjust the height up and down quickly. And yeah, I just love the convenience over a tripod. So if you also want to check this out, maybe you're going to go on a trip overseas and need something modular, maybe you're in a safari vehicle and need something small, then I'll add all the details below, and I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching, and take care.